Okay, so let's go through our Facebook friend listing. So what you do, you obviously go to your friends on your page. So you go to your page and you go to friends. So this is the mobile version, and you're going to go to your friends, and for example, let's say I'm just going to take someone I want to show. So this lady here, she's friends, for example, and I'm going to edit by clicking on her picture, and you see on the left hand side where it says friends, so you click on there and you go at the bottom, 1 2 3, at the very bottom, edit friend list, and I'm going to add her as a work colleague, and you can see down at the bottom work colleague with a little tick. So I'm mainly going to use 1 2 3 4 family, close friends, and work colleagues and restricted. So that's this done. So she's now on that list, and let me give you another example. So let's see with this lady here, we're down as friends. I'm going to edit her and I'm going to add her to my work colleague list, and done. So you do this for your whole friend list, and it helps you filter what sort of posts you share with whom. So if you want to deliver a personal message to your close friends and families, you can do that. Or if you want to share more of a business tip on your profile without boring your close friends or family, or if you don't want them to see that, you send it to your work colleagues list. So this is how you do, and you go through your friends one by one and you allocate them to the different lists. Here you go.